So I found this radiator and had it record. This is the correct original 22-inch radiator for a 70B body or E-body. 2998-960 is the correct Chrysler part number that fits only 1970, fits only B body and E body, and it's only 22-inch. Josh's resolution is to learn more about the Mopars, try to be more of an encyclopedia like myself with the numbers and the codes and the options and be able to recognize things. There's probably 10 or 15 radiators that would bolt in, but only one of them is going to be the right, correct part number. The car was built in August of '69.
Right.
We know that from the door VIN label. We know it from the fender tag.
Right.
So we know that every part that goes on the car has to be preceding it. It can't be past it, but it can't be preceding it, just cheating by like 2 years or 3 years.
Okay.
Okay. You see down here on this end, the 3Q-69?
Right.
These plug wires were manufactured in the third quarter of 1969. July, August, and September were the third quarter.
Right.
And that car was built in August. So most likely that's the correct part code for that car. Okay, the third quarter of 1969. So my guess is these are the correct date-coded replica spark plug wires for that car.
One I can't see.
18347?
Yeah.
Is that what you think?
Yeah.
Okay, take a look at the dash VIN. I checked these before we painted it.
So is it the last 6?
It's the last 8 of the VIN.
The last 8?
So the trunk lip numbers match the dash VIN on it, right? Look at those numbers right there. Tell me if you can read those.
102451.
Yep, there you go. So that's the original core support that the car started life with too. So now you've covered the front of the car and the back of the car. When they say basic numbers matching on it, now you know that it's the motor and the transmission, match the VIN number of the fender tag and the body and the dash VIN. So that's basically numbers matching. But when you go to a concours, that's where the other numbers come in. Everything has date codes, everything has casting numbers, everything has part numbers, and they all, when you have a correct matching car to OE standards, all of those numbers coincide with how that car would have been built on the day that it was made. It's fun. You go crazy, but it's fun.
Yeah.
Everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you, hit subscribe.